Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video onto YouTube. So first things first, we're going to want to go over to our YouTube studio by clicking on our YouTube profile picture right up here and going down to the dedicated YouTube studio button. Once we've clicked on this button, we'll be taken to studio.youtube.com/channel/ and your channel ID. You can also go to this URL manually by typing all of this in and typing in your channel ID. So once you're here, you can just click on create and upload videos. We select files. Now we actually need a video. So we're just gonna go get a video. I saved my videos in a folder called YouTube videos, and here we have, this is a YouTube video.mp4. So we'll just let this process real quick. Control V, there we go. So this is a YouTube video, this is a YouTube video. No thumbnail, playlists, there are no playlists. I'll just put this into the outdated podcast. And in the tags, the only thing I'll have is, this is a YouTube video. That's it. Now, what I'm gonna do is go over to the bottom here. You need to select the topic of the video. This is gonna be entertainment as the category. Then, once you're done with that, you can just click next and go over to video elements. I'm just going to add a card. So here I'm just gonna add the It's Billy channel real quick. There we go. Custom message. Subscribe. There we go. We just click save. We click next, and here we can select the way that we want this to be uploaded. I'm just gonna go with making it public and setting it as an instant premiere and clicking publish. Now I close, go to content, and here we have our video. So if you want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one. And bye!